Today we are unboxing my first human hair wig. This is from the Push Hair Essence collection from Wig Studio One. It's an in-house brand with Wig Studio One. Very exciting. Her name is Jacey. She's in the color Blonde Caramel. Oh, she's stunning. Let me tell you a little bit about her. She has a French silk lace top. She's 15 inches in length, 12 to 15 inches, so she does have a little bit of layering. She's 100% hand-tied and 100% Remy human hair. Okay, right off the bat, I can tell you that she feels, well, like human hair. She does feel different than my synthetics. Lovely. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at her caramel coloring, blondes, a little bit of caramel, very dimensional. She has a lace front, and then that is your silk top, which is going to make it look like the hair is growing right out of your scalp. We have a little silicone grip here. This is that beautiful double layer and the silk top. Wow, that feels so good. That would feel really good on people who are also don't have any hair at all. That is very soft. I've never felt that before. 100% hand tied. Here are her ear tabs. The lace goes down. That is very lovely for styling. We have an extended nape clasp adjusters. She just feels so luxurious. Go ahead and pull these adjusters in. I have a 21-inch head, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to pull them in. The adjusters are inside this, so that's really nice for comfortability. I really didn't know what to expect with the feel of the human hair, but it really does have a different texture than my synthetics that I'm used to. And it's very nice. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, she feels so light. So she's human hair, so if you do feel she's falling too much in your face, you would just style her like you would your human hair. She really isn't though, which is lovely. And of course you can change that part wherever you want. Let's just look and see what it would look like if we changed it. Look at that. Literally like it's growing out of my head. That is amazing. Let's look at this hairline. So it's the lace hairline. Oh my goodness. Now I'm spoiled. This is not a good thing. Look how she just tapers down, which is so natural on how human hair would be. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's look at her from the side. You can see the slight layering that she has. The back. The other side. I am in awe. I'm literally in awe. Look at how this lace goes down. So you can just tuck her behind your ears and you have that coverage. So like I said, I'm a 21-inch head and I pulled in those straps, and now she fits like perfect. So she can definitely go much larger than a 21-inch head. Look at this. Look how great that is. She's so low density, like literally feels so natural and realistic. Okay, thanks for being on this ride with me. I'm truly astonished and excited about this. I will be doing lots more content, but I'm so glad that you got to be here to unbox my first human hair wig. This is Jacey in the color Blonde Caramel from Wig Studio One's in-house brand, which is the Push Hair collection, and this is from the Essence collection.